expansion ShipOwner 531, we have huge volumes of ship owners contacting Candina regarding, I need these top officers for these ships or those ships. And we are indeed expanding, dear ship owner. Why? Because many are looking at Asia as always poor. There is no seats in the planes, and these prices of the planes are sky high during July, August. So ship owners are thinking, well, if it is the Atlantic, why do I need Pacific or Indian Ocean cruise? Why don't I focus investing in talent long term with this America and the Europe? And this is what we are feeling the expansion is, because they need top officers. But Peru is starting to have more and more cadets. We are also looking at employing Spanish cadets. Yes, if you want a master and chief engineer, some say in Filipinas you don't get top officers and other ASEAN countries because the mentality of being a manager. And then they look to other countries. Spain is really a natural manager. Just give these cadets time and will become chief engineers and the captains. The youngest captains, I remember 60 years ago, had 22 years old when America went searching before Filipinas started. But here we had 22, 23-year-old captains, yes. Then the education system got more complicated. These bureaucrats started putting these exams, these subjects that were not needed. But still, we have these first-class 300 cadets available for your expansion, dear ship owner. Also, we have cadets from Venezuela, from Cuba, if you don't need any US visa, because for joining in Europe, you don't need US visa. And then many companies have these Cubans, but they have wage scales a bit below because it's not with English. Now, with English, we can get the best guys and so on. Really, this is the expansion we're having today. If you are thinking today, having huge problems of these top officers and are ready to grant us 6 months, slowly take over your fleet, we are ready to really work for the intrinsic value and the goodwill and the reputation of your good company, because no one really has these top officers today and they want solutions. Contact Candina. Thank you. Bye.